Hey guys, today we'll see how to configure the Creo. When you install the Creo, after the installation, there are no configuration done from the Creo side. So as per our convenience, we can do some customization and configurations. So for the configuration, we are looking now. So at the shortcut, which is available on your start screen, do RMB, show more options and properties. You can see this is the default starting directory. Means when you launch the Creo, so Creo will get start in this directory. So whatever data you are going to create and save those data or do some customization or changes in the config.pro, so those will get saved here. Or you are creating any data that .prt assemblies and those things, those will get created here. So you can change this location if you want to change the starting directory as per your requirement and folder where you want to start the Creo. So you can change it. So I will show you how and where it is going to reflect. So launch the Creo, wait for a while. So now the Creo is getting started. Close the resource center window. You can see here, start working directory. Here you can see this is the default working directory or default starting directory for the Creo. So from here you can open whatever data here in the directory. You can open that data and save this in directory. Or manually you can change the directory from here. Select working directory. You can change as per your requirement. You can change the folder each and every time whenever you need. And how this starting directory we are going to change. From here we can change the directory. Go to properties. This is the properties. Here you can see. So I'm just show you how it works. Hit OK, and I'm starting the Creo. So see, the Creo started. You can stay here. So it is starting in the start directory. So this way you can change the starting directory, or you can put your configuration config.pro specific to that part which you are creating or you are going to create. So this config.pro and some UI customization at user level, those will get loaded from here. And another thing is, if you want to change some configurations or need to point out some configuration, you can do those from some here. So see here I have kept config.pro. You can add some configuration. That configuration we will see in next video. Anyway, for now we are just looking into the starting directory, how to change the starting directory. So this way we can change the starting directory. Yeah, thank you guys.